Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm back with another video. So this video is about my 2020 Honda Accord hybrid. So in this video I'm just gonna show you the review of my car so far after like 3,500 miles almost on the car. So I'm gonna tell you guys my point of view and um, what improvement it needs and how's the quality and the mileage and everything I'm gonna talk about in this video about this car. So let me tell you, this is the EX version, E Extreme. So it's been I think more than 3 months the car is with me, and so far so good. I don't have any complaint with this car. The only downside I see is this eCVT, electronic CVT transmission. It has like a weird kind of revving noise when you um, press the pedal hard or um, push the car on the more RPM. It just have a weird noise that makes. Later in the video I will show you guys the, the driving of it, and you guys can easily hear the revving noise of CVT transmission. Other than that, I don't have any complaint with this car. So let me show you how it looks right now. As you can see, so far I did not have any cosmetic complaint with this car. Nothing has disturbed me, and everything is good. And I'll show you one thing from inside. Let me just explain to you guys when I will show you. So as you can see, everything is good. And so let me pop up the hood and tell you guys what is powering this car. So as you can see inside, this is 2-liter inline 4-cylinder motor with the eCVT transmission, and it has I think 2 electric motors that power this car. And I think that's about it about this car. Everything looks clean. Everything is fine with this car. Nothing. I did not have any complaint about the drive of this car in this car. So the oil, so far I think I have like 70% oil life left, which is pretty good. It's not bad, and it's already like 3,500 miles on this car. Okay, so let me show you the front of the car. As you can see here, and I already put the seat cover on it. I think you guys already knows who watch my videos, and I have seat cover on the whole car, as you can see here also. And this is WeatherTech floor mat as well. This seat cover comes with the pillows. A lot of room in this. I think the Honda made its very good design about the spacing of this car from inside. Is very nice according to me, because I also sit in the Camry, and Camry is like a little bit narrow from inside. There's less space, but this is very big cabin and very roomy. So let me just turn on the car and show you guys. As you can see, Honda logo pops up, and let's say hybrid. Power this on. Okay, so as you can see, this is is a hybrid car, and you probably can notice can look at stuff. This is because my phone is connected, so that's why it started playing the music. Okay, so as you can see, this is the volume knob. You go downward, like make it cold, and it lights out like a blue, very nice thing, and you go up and it lights up like a red. And you can also see on the display as well, and this is the display where it shows the how much range, and this is the current drive, and this is how it looks like with the Android Auto. As you can see, that's all it has. Let's just have a test drive, and let me show you guys how the car drives. So check this out. You will probably hear there is the music noise. It only happens when you put in reverse. Look at this. See, now there is no noise. Look, you guys can hear properly. That's the noise in the car. It has like factory noise. They put it inside for what reason, I don't know, and I feel like it's only inside, not the outside. It's supposed to be outside. So check this out. As you can see the RPM. So right now it's not that much, so you guys probably cannot hear too much the CVT noise. As you can see here, the car is running on the electric motors. So if I push hard, see, the engines also kicks in, and they both works together to run this car. So you see this is the CVT rev noise that I was talking about. There's a lot of noise, and the only thing that most bothers me, that's the CVT transmission noise. Other than that, everything is perfect with this car. It has the pedal shifter. What happens with this, if you press this, you can see there is the points. This is called regenerative braking. So what happened with this, if you're fast and you're already gonna stop and gonna press the brake, instead of that, you can just slow down with this regenerative braking system, and it will charge the battery. So that's also the benefit of these pedals. So it has a menu here. As you can see, with this button, you press home button and it will show you different features. So let me show you. The first one is the power and charge. It will show you the miles per hour in the car, but unfortunately the speedometer, it's gonna be in the kilometers. So that's the problem I have. It's like, I think, software issue, or they did not put this feature in the car. So you can see it says 0 kilometer on the dash, so it will only show you speed in the kilometers, and in miles per hour it's going to show you the analog. So this if I press and hold this middle button, you can see it will change. First I need to press home, go back here, press it, hold it, and you can see it's back to the miles per hour. And this is range and fuel. This will show you the economy and how you're driving, and the range. This is also fuel economy. It has different positions, and it will show you here also. And this is speed and time. This will show you average speed, and I think how many hours you drive your car. I think it's already showing like 99 hours and 59 minutes I drove this car. This is audio. You can see audio system here on the screen. The phone calls, like traffic sign. What this will do is, this will while you're driving, this will read the traffic sign and show you on this display. This is pretty nice feature. So this is driving support, which is gonna show you, I think, the car right in front of you, how far is it, and it will just assist you and it will put I think brake. It will slow down if you get too close to it. And this is driver attention. Basically it will show you're driving, like how active you are right now on the seat. The driving, okay. This is maintenance. So oil life is, I told you guys, is like 70% left, and you can see already, like, I have almost 3,500 miles on this car, so it's pretty good. So I probably gonna need it to change after like 10,000 miles, which is very nice for the hybrid. So these are the features. You can turn all those off. This is the line assistant. The car will stay in the line. If you're moving around, going on the line, the steering wheel will turn automatically and will try to assist you to come in the line. This is like when you're getting out of the parking and some cars are coming from the side, the system will tell you there is a car. Very nice feature. This is the collision mitigation braking system, which, like, if you are driving and somebody is stopping right in front of you and you're not stopping, basically your foot is not on the brake, the car will brake automatically. But don't try this. This is because you're gonna depend on this car to brake, but it will not brake 100%, but it's gonna assist you. It's happened with me one time. There is a car behind me and there was a car right in front of me, and that was about to go right, but I did not put my foot on the brake. I knew, okay, when I reach there it will already turn to the right, but the car was in front of me and it was turning, but the system decided to brake itself because I was not putting my foot on the brake. So it did brake very hard that time. So it was kind of surprised for me, but it did work. But you should not try this to see if it's gonna brake or not, which is not it's gonna be hard. So I think you should not. So this is warning sign if there is any warning, but right now there is nothing, no warning. So that's about it. Let me show you guys. Now I'm gonna go on the road. Okay, let me tell you guys one more thing. So it has two USB. You can see one here, and this is for different charger. I don't know what it's called, completely forgot about it. This is electronic CVT transmission. It has parking, the reverse, neutral, D, economy mode, sport mode, EV mode, which is gonna be only electric, but it's not gonna last very long on the battery because it's not the plug-in hybrid. This is a parking, like when you're sitting, you can just put this, and
please depress the brake pedal to release the parking brake.
As you can see, I was trying to release the brake without pressing the pedal. This is brake hold. And let me show you the sport mode. See, if you put in sport mode, see, everything will lights gonna look red on the sides, and the car is very responsive. Like it can go fast with the sport mode. You can clearly see the difference between the normal drive and econ drive, and it's like very different. See, as soon as I turn the sport mode, you can see, because the battery is already low, see, it's only 3 bars, so the engine is trying to charge the battery. So I put back on the economy mode. See, now the engine is not charging. So you can see the camera. This is what I was talking about. See, this you can see underneath the car, like literally very close. This is like a little behind, and this is like a round shape, you can see. And this is the side feature that I was talking about. You can turn this off from here. When the cars come from the side, it will tell you to brake, which is very nice feature. Okay, and you guys probably can hear this noise very easily. Let me just go on the main road and you will hear it properly. Okay guys, so look at this. You can clearly hear the CVT noise. So it goes down when the car goes fast. So it's only like when you take hard take off and try to go faster, then it will make a lot of the CVT noises, which is so annoying. But other than that, I don't have any complaint how the car drives. It handles everything, I think, very nicely so far. And I will be posting more videos later about after maybe 5,000 mile or 5,000, 6,000, whenever it's possible. I'll try to make a video so you guys will know about this car. If you decided to buy this car, and hope it will help you to decide. See guys, so that's what I'm talking about. There's a lot of CVT noise when you keep rev all the way high, and not all the way high, but even if it's in the middle, it will still do that until the car goes fast. Once it goes fast, it's quiet. It's not have a lot of noise, so which is good. As you can see, it's charging because the rev is not higher, so I'm not pushing that much. The road is like downward, that's why I don't need to push the pedal down, so it's just keep charging. As you can see, if it just goes down to the green, this means it's charging. If it's all the way goes down, which means it's like charging very fast. If it's a little bit, then it's charging slow. Okay, so basically very nice touch and everything is very nice so far. I don't have any complaint about this, but I have one complaint about the Android Auto, which sometimes it does not connect. It just keeps saying connecting, and for some reason it does not connect. So that's, I also heard on the other videos also, like people talk about this, and I do heard about this complaint. They have some kind of software issue, I think. But it's, let's say it's like out of 100, it just happened like 4 to 5% chances that it will happen, but mostly it just works fine. So as you can see, the mileage here, I'm not sure if you guys can clearly see because this is a wide angle lens I'm using. I'm using the GoPro, and it has a pretty wide angle, so I'm not sure if you can read it, but it has like 3,000 right now, 497 miles on it, and it's giving me like 45.3 mpg per gallon, and so that's about it. And the battery, as you can see, is like less than a half, and the power is also depends on the battery. And this trim has also the heated seat here, so because it's a EX trim, and it has a sunroof. It's a very nice thing. This one is like, I think this is the best thing to have. I enjoyed it very much, especially in the rainy day. It's very nice, and you can see the space, and overall everything is nice. So it has like, I think 2 4 and 6 7, I think 8 speaker in this car, and this has like, I think 17 inch alloy wheels on it. Okay guys, so let's wrap this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed the review. This is my review for now, and in the future I'm gonna be posting more video about this car. Any kind of maintenance, if I have to do it, I'm gonna post a video. I will tell you guys what you need to do and what not. Other than that, everything is fine. Hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe and share this video if you find this video helpful, and I will be posting more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.